Hello everyone. In the last video we discussed the part 1 of mathematics of POLYCET. Now we will discuss about section 2 physics. Which of the following statement is true? A convex lens has 4D power. Its focal length is 0.25 meters. A convex lens has minus 4D power. Its focal length is 25 meters. A concave lens has 4D power. Its focal length is 0.25 meters. A concave lens has minus 4D power. Its focal length is 25 meters. The correct option is 1 and the answer is a convex lens has 4D power. Its focal length is 0.25 meters. For a young adult with normal vision, the least distance of distance vision is about 20 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 2.0 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters. The correct option is 2 and the answer is 25 centimeters. The ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called dispersion, scattering, refraction, accommodation. The correct option is 4 and the answer is accommodation. The part of the human eye which regulate and control the amount of light entering into the eye is pupil, cornea, ciliary muscles, retina. The correct option is 1 and the answer is pupil. In a myopic eye, the image of a distant object is formed behind the retina, on the retina, in front of the retina. None of these. The correct option is 3 and the answer is in front of the retina. Pick the false statement from the following. Eye lens forms a real image. Image is formed on retina. Cornea contains rods and cones. Distance between eye lens and retina is about 2.3 centimeters. The correct option is 3 and the answer is cornea contains rods and cones. The splitting of light into component color is called scattering, dispersion, reflection, refraction. The correct option is 2 and the answer is dispersion. The twinkling of star is due to scattering, dispersion, reflection, atmospheric refraction. The correct option is 4 and the answer is atmospheric refraction. Which color of light has the maximum angle of deviation in the visible spectrum? Red, blue, yellow, violet. The correct option is 4 and the answer is violet. Which color of light has the longest wavelength in visible spectrum? Red, blue, violet, yellow. The correct option is 1 and the answer is red. The danger signal lights are red in color because the red color light is least scattered by fog or smoke. The red color light is more scattered by fog or smoke. The red signal lights are yellow or low cost. None of the above. The correct option is 1 and the answer is the red color light is least scattered by fog or smoke. The SI unit of electric charge is ampere, volt, Colombo, ohm. The correct option is third and the answer is Colombo. Pick the correct statement. An ammeter is always connected in parallel in an electric circuit. The voltmeter is always connected in parallel in an electric circuit. Only A is true. Only B is true. Both A and B are true. Both A and B are false. The correct option is third and the answer is both A and B are true. 1 ampere into 1 second is equal to question mark. 1 coulomb, 1 volt, 1 joule, 1 ohm. The correct option is 1 and the answer is 1 coulomb. Work done to move a unit charge from one point to another point in an electric circuit is called electric power, electric current, electric resistance, electric potential difference. The correct option is 4 and the answer is electric potential difference. If the potential difference between two ends of a conductor is 6 volts and its resistance is 3 ohms, then the current passing through it is 0.5 amperes, 3 amperes, 18 amperes, 2 amperes. The correct option is 4 and the answer is 2 amperes. The resistance of a conductor is R and its area of cross section is A. Then R directly proportional to A, or directly proportional to 1 by A, or directly proportional by A square, R is not dependent on A. The correct option is 2, and the answer is R proportional 1 by A. The highest equivalent resistance that can be obtained by combination of four resistance, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 12 ohm is, the options are 24 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 48 ohm. The correct option is 1, and the answer is 24 ohm. According to Jouley's law of hunting, the hunt produced in a resistor is inversely proportional to the square of current of a given resistance, directly proportional to the resistance of a given current, inversely proportional to the time for which the current flows through resistor, directly proportional to the current for a given resistance. The correct option is 2, and the answer is directly proportional to the resistance for a given current. Electric power is the product of potential difference and electric resistance, electric charge, velocity, electric current. The correct option is 4, and the answer is electric current. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 36 into 10 power 6 joule, 0.36 into 10 power 6 joule, 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule, 3.6 into 10 power 10 joule. The correct option is 3, and the answer is 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. Regarding properties of magnetic lines of force, which of the following is false? The magnetic lines of force are closed curves. Inside the magnet, the direction of magnetic lines of force is form its south pole to north pole. No two magnet lines of force are found to cross each other. Outside the magnet, the direction of magnetic lines of force is from its south pole to north pole. The correct option is 4, and the answer is outside the magnet. The direction of magnetic lines of force is from its south pole to north pole. The magnetic field produced by a circular coil having n turns is dash as large that produced by a signal turn n times remains same n square times 2n times. The correct option is 1, and the answer is n times. A current carrying long solenoid act as a horseshoe magnet, magnetic pole, magnetic dipole, bar magnet. The correct option is 4, and the answer is bar magnet. The magnet effect of electric current is demonstrated by the scientist Ohm, Oersted, Kirchhoff, Newton. The correct option is 2, and the answer is Oersted. The magnetic field inside the body forms the basis of obtaining the image of different body parts. This is done using a technique called CT scanning, X-ray scanning, ultrasound scanning, MRI scanning. The correct option is 4, and the answer is MRI scanning. In domestic electric circuits, the wire with red color insulation is called live wire, neutral wire, earth wire. None of these. The correct option is 1, and the answer is live wire. In an electric circuit, the device used to prevent damage to the electric applicants due to overloading is called electromagnet, electric fuse, battery, electric cell. The correct option is 2, and the answer is electric fuse. In domestic electric circuits, different appliances can be conducted across the and neutral wires is parallel to each other in series, either parallel or series, either parallel nor series. The correct option is 1, and the answer is parallel to each other. At the time of a short circuit, the current in the circuit reduces sustainability, does not change, increases heavily, becomes 0. The correct option is 3, and the answer is increases heavily. In domestic electric circuits in our country, the potential difference between live wire and neutral wire in the mains is 55 volts, 60 volts, 440 volts, 220 volts. The correct option is 4, and the answer is 220 volts. Which of the following is an opaque medium? Air, water, wood, glass. The correct option is third, and the answer is wood. A light ray incidents on a plane mirror at an angle of 30 degrees. Then what is the angle of reflection? 32 degrees, 66 degrees, 22 degrees, 16.5 degrees. The correct option is 1 and the answer is 33 degrees. If r is radius of curvature of a mirror and f is the focal length, then r is equal to f, r equal to 2f. R equal to f by 2, r plus 3f is equal to 0. The correct option is 2 and the answer is r equal to 2f. A concave mirror produces two times magnified enlarged real image of an object placed at 30 centimeters in front of it. Then its focal length is plus 20 centimeters, minus 20 centimeters, plus 60 centimeters, minus 60 centimeters. The correct option is 2 and the answer is minus 20 centimeters. If I and R be the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection, when light ray travels from denser to rarer medium, then R greater than I, R less than R is equal to I is equal to 2R. The correct option is 1 and the answer is R greater than I. A rectangular tank of depth 8 meters is full of water. The refractive index of water 4 by 3. When viewed from top, the bottom of the tank is seen de- at a depth of 6 meters, 8 meters, 10.66 meters, 4 meters. The correct option is 1 and the answer is 6 meters. The lens bounced by two spherical surfaces curved inwards is biconcave, biconvex, plano-convex, plano-concave. The correct option is 1 and the answer is biconcave. The image formed by an object which is placed at infinity distance from the convex lens beyond the center of curvature at infinity at the principal focus. The correct option is 1. Sorry. The correct option is 3 and the answer is at the principal of focus. An object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from the convex lens of focal length 20 centimeters. The image distance is 75 centimeters, 60 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 50 centimeters. The correct option is 2 and the answer is 60 centimeters. Okay, these are the correct options for the physics. Once check it and verify your mistakes and check how many you did correct. Okay, thank you.